Big head.
It's recording. Just tell them who you are.
They know who I am.
Balognalizard.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you some stories today. So once I had a doggy, and his name was Puppy Boy, and he was so cool. It was so when Puppy Boy was a wiener dog, and Puppy Boy loved to run. So now I call him Puppy Boy, the dead Puppy Boy, because he's dead. Puppy Boy is dead of natural causes. No! Natural causes! Okay, Puppy Boy loved to run. Oh, I already said that, didn't I? Puppy Boy. Stop it. Puppy Boy. Hey, honey, can you get out of my video?
I'm sorry.
Puppy Boy was so cool. Wasn't he cool, honey?
Super fabulous.
Yeah, he was super fabulous. Well, Puppy Boy is the coolest puppy in the world, and I love him dearly. And this is my blog, and I have to say No, I'm not saying goodbye. This is my love. I love him so. This is Bernard.
Oh, it's my brother Joey.
Zoe. Hi, Zoe. Oh.
What are we doing?
You have big muscles in your nice face, Pixie. So, Puppy Boy loves to run. This is Zoe.
Bernard's brother. Me.
My lover's brother.
I'm Bernard.
Zoe is cool.
Usually awesome.
I just got a face job. I can go through. Oh. Thanks to Puppy Boy, my life is happy now. Wide long face. Hi, Bernard.
Cut it off.